So many bikes, so many bikes. Today we have to, oh, where are my manners? Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I gotta take my bike to the Honda shop because I tightened my chain, right? But, hold on one second, let me get around my bike. But, it's making this noise when I back up, like a clacking noise. And I asked my buddy at the Honda shop what that could mean. And he said my chain and tire is not aligned, so I'm gonna attempt to hurry up and ride over there before it's too late. So if I do break down, nobody's recording me on the side of the damn road like last time. So see you when we get to the Honda shop. Man, oh man, it has been a minute, so let's talk. So this is the other part of the video that I was going to record, but a lot of things happened in between, but I'm back now. Stuck outside so you guys can see. So the last video I left off with, I was taking my bike to the Honda shop. Needed the chain to be tightened and to get that clicking noise figured out and get it aligned back up properly and all that. Well, I took it there, and then my buddy came back out and told me I need a new chain and sprocket. Then my sprocket teeth were so little. I'm gonna try to put a picture up because that shit was insane. My teeth were so little, I guess that's what was making the noise. So then they took it back there. I said, alright, cool, just order all that. And then he came back out and said they can't get your axle nut off. I'm like, what? Like, what do you mean? He's like, they can't get it off the axle itself. So we'll probably have to cut it off if you want us to. If not, we'll ship all the parts to your house and then let you take it off and whatever, and you put all the parts on, which I would have done, but I'm also trying to get rid of the bike, so I'm going to let them do it instead of me do it, because if I do it, I'm going to mess something up. So I told them to go back there and cut it off. They cut it off. They ended up cutting my axle and all that, a block that holds it in place. They told me, or he told me, what's the risk of like them cutting it off. So I was like, alright, cool, whatever. Yeah, I mean, pretty much like I had to order I had to order axle nut, chain sprocket, the axle sliders, and the chain tensioners, the blocks that go in the chain tensioners. I think that was it. Oh yeah, and then after I took it there, I came home, a few days passed, I got sick again. I'm just not getting over COVID for the second time. It wasn't that bad, but this time it was just, the back pain was about the same. Everything else was about moderate. That first time, I thought I was going to the pearly gates for real. But, no, I'm all good now. This is the first day I feel normal. Man, I miss this bike. I miss riding this bike, y'all. Y'all just don't understand. I'm leaning this joker over. It feels so weird being back on this bike, you know, like, just because, like, I haven't ridden it in forever. I'm still trying to sell these two bikes. Well, my other bike is ready. I'm going to try to talk to the dealership, see if they'll buy it back for me, because that's the place that I bought it from. So I'm going to try to see if they'll buy it back off of me. If not, I have like, I think 2 potential buyers. But everybody on Marketplace, they be on that BS, man. People on Facebook, they never come through. They never want to buy anything. They just want to waste your time. Oh, can I get the VIN? Yada, yada, yada. Like, bro, if you either going to buy it or not. But, yeah, that's, like, me trying to sell bikes, these 2 bikes, is a lot harder than what I thought it was going to be. And it makes no sense at all. Like, literally no sense. I mean, even this bike, I've had people hit me up about this bike, and it has a blown head gasket. I've had more people hit me about this bike than the Fz07. But people with this bike, it's just eye attention. Like, it's just it's eye candy. They like it. The plastics on it and shit like that. They don't really care about what's wrong with it. And then I'll be like, oh yeah, did you read the description? You know, how the blown head gasket. Oh no, I didn't read that. Never mind, I'm not interested anymore. Like, come on, man. Reading is fundamental. Fundamental. But yeah, I have been looking at like 2 or 3 other BMWs, like 2022s or 2021 or 2020 that I do like, that's in my price range, what I want to spend for a BMW. Nothing wrong with them. All has less than 9,000 miles on them, and all I gotta do is just sell this bike and sell the Fz07, put that money together, and bro, I can buy the bike. But right now, if I can only sell the Fz07, I'll just have to take out a loan, put that money together, or save up a little bit extra money, take out a loan, put it down on that bike, and buy it that way. If not, then I'm going to be waiting a really long time until I sell these things. But yeah, I mean, that's just the update video. I don't really have much to talk about. I don't have anything to ride right now. I don't like riding that Busa, even though I can. As you can see, my dad loves those fat ass grips that he always puts on every bike. They're heated grips. That's cool and all. I don't care. They're just so big. I like my skinny handlebars, my skinny grips. And then he has the stock levers. I hate those. They let out, like, if you pull that clutch in, on top of the fat grips, by the way, if you pull that clutch in, and it's going to let out about right there. Man, if you get into some really bad traffic, and you just stop and go, and you keep on pulling in that clutch, trying to let it go all the way up, man, my hand is going to instantly get tired. And the Busa is heavy as crap. And plus, nobody wants to ride a Goldwing, so I don't care for the Goldwing. But he's always like, oh, you need to get out there and get on it. No, I don't. I don't like those fat grips. That's why I always customize my bikes as soon as I get them, how I like it. Stock grips, if not, or like stock grips, or domino grips, or whatever grips I decide to put on there. Shorty levers, because I mean, my hands aren't that small, but they aren't that big either. And then bar and mirrors. That's really about it for as far as like handlebar wise. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. It's just a little short update. May listen to myself talk. I still sound sick as hell. But go follow me on TikTok. It's BushV2. What else? Yeah, ride safe, wear your gear, and I'll see you guys in the next one.